Hello, how are you, Miss Amigos? Today's news is the visit to Los Angeles by Gary Fong, one of the new heroes of the Hispanic community. Right, shit. This son of a bitch has earned a lobotomy with tequila, the one with the worm in it. Never mind, forget the worm, and give this bitch an elephant neck. If you haven't heard, this toupee-wearing, cock-sucking, pussy-hating, tree-hugging, victocrat, hypocrite motherfucker plays the compassionate motherfucker, yet calls Hispanics beaners.
Wait a minute, Sancho, are you shitting me? Gary Fong talk shit about Hispanics, OMG.
Jill, are you telling me you thought this penny pincher motherfucker was nice? The motherfucker will knock his mother shorts off, and will insult her in public for a laugh. He is such a cunt. Anyways, this Hispanic hater came out with a book. Check this out, it's called I Became a Millionaire by Cheating on Taxes and Working Chinese Kids at Sweatshops to Make My Money, I think. Seriously, he was to present a program for a Hispanic group in the Los Angeles area. He had put out a video and flyers. The fucker threw a fit and tantrum like a cunt, and pulled out of the event, leaving the Hispanic community hanging. The people preparing the program said that Gary seems to think he is above the law and all reproach, and he thinks he can insult anybody at any time. This filthy-ass motherfucker was yelling "Verga" out loud at WPPI, thinking he was being funny, the son of a bitch. Maybe his parents taught him to talk that way, I don't know. Anyway, this ugly-ass motherfucker can stick all of his toilet floats up his fucking ass, because he has one less Hispanic, or as he calls us, beaner, buying his shit. Some of us beaners will not go blind over a dirty malt toupee-wearing tight-ass motherfucker, and will call him on his racial put-downs. I know how to deal with somebody trying to kick me in the ass or somebody shooting at me, but beaner, come on, come to me man to man, don't treat me like something less than human, you son of a bitch. I will not do the same as this shorty fucker and use racist put-down, because as a Hispanic in the United States, I have heard it all, and I don't want anybody to go through the same shit. As much as I hate this motherfucker Gary Fong, half of a man, ugly-ass motherfucker. Anybody who thinks calling Hispanics beaners is not a cool thing, let the fucker know that you too want him to stick his product up his fucking ass. Gary Fong, up yours, shithead ignorant motherfucker. You can kiss my brown bean color ass. Pluto.
Oh my goodness, he is a bitch. Millions will do this to the best. Well, I am not a hater, but he can kiss my ass too. Gary Fong, you ask for it, bitch. Hang on to your woo of a fucker.